So we do see a lot of kids here at Wellbeings, and it's a similar scenario as adults, when oftentimes kids come in with things like ear infections or colic or indigestion problems, and they have a nervous system too, and so making sure that their nervous system functions optimally allows their health to express better. We also see a lot of kids on a regular basis because they stay healthy, and their parents understand that having a healthy spine and nervous system allows their health to express more. I'm being silly. What? Oh, no, we get your head back and forth a little bit.